Hi, my name is Christian Maynard, and welcome to a breakdown of cannabis laws in Alaska. Information is drawn largely from the National Organization for the Reform of Marijuana Laws, NORML. As of 2026, Alaska operates under a fully legal adult use cannabis system. This means both recreational and medicinal cannabis are permitted, and the commercial market is fully operational. Alaska was one of the earliest states to legalize recreational cannabis, and its system reflects a more established regulatory approach compared to newer markets. Alaska maintains a medical cannabis program, and it's relatively limited in scope compared to some other states. Qualifying conditions include cancer, chronic pain, HIV or AIDS, multiple sclerosis, seizures, glaucoma, severe nausea. Notably, the number of registered medical patients in Alaska is quite small, reflecting the broader availability of adult use cannabis. Alaska allows a wide range of cannabis products, including flower, concentrates, and edibles. Possession limits are as follows: up to 1 ounce of flower, up to 7 grams of concentrate, and up to 5,600 milligrams of THC in edibles. For commercially available products, edible serving size is capped at 10 milligrams of THC per serving, with total package limit set at 100 milligrams of THC in total. Home cultivation is allowed with up to 6 plants per household. Dispensaries are legal and operational statewide, but delivery services are not permitted. Caregivers are allowed in the medical system, but with strict limitations. A caregiver must be at least 21 years old, cannot have certain felony convictions, and is generally limited to assisting only one patient at a time, unless patients are closely related. Alaska does not provide explicit employment protections for medical cannabis patients. There is also no formal statewide process for expunging or sealing past cannabis convictions, which distinguishes it from some other legalized states. Additionally, Alaska does not recognize out-of-state medical cannabis cards, meaning no reciprocity. Alaska's cannabis driving laws mirror alcohol laws in some ways but differ in key respects. Drivers are considered to have given implied consent for alcohol testing, but this does not extend to cannabis. Chemical testing for drugs is generally voluntary, unless a serious accident involving injury occurs. Importantly, Alaska does not allow sobriety checkpoints, which sets it apart from many other states. There are also no per se THC limits, meaning impairment is not defined by a specific THC threshold, but rather by observed behavior. Public consumption of cannabis remains illegal. However, cannabis consumption lounges are allowed, providing designated spaces for use. Even in a legal state, violations such as public use or exceeding possession limits can still result in penalties. In summary, Alaska represents a more permissive cannabis policy model, with legal adult use, home cultivation, and operational retail access. At the same time, restrictions remain around public consumption, employment protections, and impaired driving enforcement. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more cannabis-related videos, please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.